Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Copper CRM with Mailchimp. All right, so first up, log into your Copper CRM account. Now, once you're in here on your dashboard, just go to the top left and click on your profile or profile name, and then click on integrations. Okay, click on it. Now, once it loads, you just go ahead and scroll down and find the Mailchimp right here. So let's just go ahead and click on connect. And then in here, as you can see, we have the connect button. Let's click on it. As fast as that, it says here app connected. Why is that? It connected my Mailchimp account automatically because I am currently logged in to Mailchimp with the same browser. Okay, so it's not going to ask me to log back in again. So if it asks you to log in, just go ahead and log in with your Mailchimp credentials. And then once that's done, it will land you to this exact page as well. Okay, so what you'll do is just to set this up. Okay, as you can see here, enable Mailchimp for records. You might have multiple options right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and select the two right here, which is available. Now it says here, choose the location to show Mailchimp. The only available option is right panel. Okay, enable it, settings updated. Now once that's done, just go back and you will see that your Mailchimp account is now connected to Copper CRM. There you have it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.